In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then tap on Safety and Emergency. Now click on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact. Decide from which Contacts app you want to select it and tap on just once. Now click on your contact. And then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. In order to change order of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one of them, drag it to the proper place and let go. Then hit Save at the top right corner. If you want to get rid of any contact, use this X next to the one you wish to delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!